Dreaming of a kitchen that looks stunning and works smarter, even in a small space? These modern kitchen designs and clever space-saving furniture bring style, comfort, and functionality together effortlessly. If you want ideas that transform everyday living, all the featured finds are linked in the description below. Kitchen chores just got futuristic. This smart lift-up dish and spice rack rises and lowers at your command, either with a gentle touch or a simple voice call. Intelligent sensors stop it instantly if anything gets in the way, so no more worrying about pinched fingers. Soft LED lighting guides you in the dark, and the sleek aluminum frame keeps it lightweight, rust-proof, and easy to clean. With flexible layout options and a smooth hydraulic lift, it's like having a personal kitchen assistant at your fingertips. This invisible induction cooktop heats your cookware directly through the countertop, leaving the surface cool to the touch. That means no burns, no hot spots, and extra safety for your whole family. It's faster than gas or electric stoves, easy to clean, and keeps your kitchen looking seamless and elegant. With precise temperature control and hidden technology, you can cook efficiently without sacrificing style or space. Need more space in your kitchen without a full remodel? This DIY extendable kitchen island grows when you need it and tucks away when you don't. It gives you extra countertop for meal prep, baking, or even casual dining. Sturdy and stylish, it blends with your kitchen decor while keeping everything within reach. Easy to pull out, fold, or slide back. It's like having a flexible helper that adapts to your cooking needs. Say goodbye to digging through high cabinets. This drop-down spice rack pulls all your spices down to eye level with just a gentle tug. You can see and grab every bottle instantly, making cooking faster and easier, especially if you're short, elderly, or in a wheelchair. It fits neatly into your existing cabinets, keeps your countertop clear, and stores up to 36 spice bottles. Easy to install and built for daily use. It's like giving your kitchen a smart, stylish upgrade. Take control of your kitchen air like never before. This 30-inch island range hood lets you adjust settings with just a gesture or a touch, from fan speed to LED lights. Powerful airflow tackles smoke and odors while running quietly, so you can cook comfortably. Dishwasher-safe stainless steel filters make cleanup effortless, and the adjustable height fits most kitchens. Whether ducted or ductless, it keeps your kitchen fresh, bright, and stylish while you focus on cooking. Meet the dinner table that hides in plain sight. This pull-out table sits completely flush under your countertop and slides out whenever you need a small dining surface. Perfect for tiny kitchens or quick meals, it gives you extra space without taking up room all the time. Sturdy and easy to use, it's ready for breakfast, lunch, or dinner in seconds. When you're done, just slide it back and enjoy a clean, open kitchen. Maximize those tricky corner cabinets with a clever twist. This 270-degree swivel basket brings every item in the back right to your fingertips. 2 layers of storage keep dishes, spices, or pantry items organized and easy to reach. Adjustable height and universal alignment mean it fits almost any corner perfectly. Durable metal and sleek dark gray finish make it both practical and stylish in your kitchen. Say goodbye to cluttered drawers. This large pull-out knife and utensil storage keeps all your tools organized and easy to reach. Just slide it out from your cabinet and everything, from knives to spatulas, is right in front of you. Its clever design fits neatly in select-sized cabinets, saving countertop space while keeping your kitchen tidy. Sturdy and practical, it's the perfect helper for any home chef. Meet the dining set that adapts to your life. This transformer table extends effortlessly, seating anywhere from 2 to 12 people, perfect for everyday meals or unexpected guests. It arrives fully pre-assembled, so you can use it right out of the box, no tools, no hassle. Built to resist heat, scratches, spills, and stains, it stays beautiful through years of family dinners. Stylish, practical, and versatile, it's the ultimate solution for a kitchen or dining space that needs to do more. Transform your kitchen storage with this clever lift-down shelf. It smoothly moves up and down, giving you easy access to items without stretching or straining. A secure locking system and adjustable handle make every pull safe and effortless. Made from durable aluminum, it resists heat, corrosion, and everyday wear while looking sleek in black. Compact yet practical, it helps you make the most of every corner in your kitchen. The kitchen that moves when you do. This ultra-luxury kitchen responds to a simple wave of your hand, opening and closing cabinets like magic. The V-Motion system uses smart sensors, so you don't have to touch a thing. That means cleaner surfaces and effortless control while you cook. It's sleek, futuristic, and makes you feel like your kitchen is truly working for you. Cooking smells don't stand a chance here. This smart kitchen hood listens to your voice or responds to a simple hand wave, so you stay in control without touching anything. Powerful suction quickly pulls away smoke and grease, keeping your kitchen fresh while you cook. The auto clean feature takes care of oil buildup for you, saving time and effort. With multiple speed settings and built-in lighting, you get a cleaner, brighter, more effortless cooking experience. Your sink just became the smartest spot in the kitchen. This all-in-one water station blends the faucet, sink, and storage into one seamless system that almost disappears when not in use. With a simple touch, you control water temperature, flow, and even special options like chilled, sparkling, or boiling water, all delivered instantly. A hidden cover can lower or lift to reveal the sink, while water still flows smoothly without splashing. Wine night just got an upgrade. This built-in wine dispenser stores and serves your favorite bottles at the perfect temperature. 2 separate zones let you keep reds and whites exactly how you like them. Argon gas seals in flavor, so each pour tastes fresh even weeks later. With the touch of a button, you can pour a small taste or a full glass whenever you want. Corner cabinets don't have to be black holes anymore. This smart storage system lifts hidden trays straight up from your countertop with a single button press. You can store appliances, bottles, or cookware and access everything without bending or reaching. Built-in safety stops the movement instantly if something gets in the way. With glowing trays that light up as they rise, your hardest to reach space becomes the easiest one to use. This kitchen moves when you tell it to. A hidden island surface glides open with a gentle push, revealing sinks, cooking zones, and storage underneath. The motion is silent and smooth, so nothing feels heavy or mechanical. When you're done, you slide it back, and the mess disappears instantly. You get more workspace, more flexibility, and a kitchen that stays clean and minimal without effort. This fridge feels more like a smart assistant than an appliance. A large touchscreen lets you manage groceries, play music, follow recipes, or keep family notes all in one place. Cameras inside help you see what's stocked, so you know what you need before you shop. Flexible compartments let you switch sections between fridge and freezer based on your needs. It looks sleek, stays organized, and helps you run your kitchen without thinking twice. That dead corner cabinet just found its purpose. This smart corner organizer brings hidden shelves straight out to you, so nothing gets lost in the back. The upper shelves move on their own, giving you clear access without bending or digging. Everything feels smooth, balanced, and easy to use. You finally get every inch of storage without the usual corner cabinet struggle. This kitchen works like a chef's workshop. Every zone is planned to keep tools close, organized, and ready when you need them. Rotating storage units spin a full circle, giving you instant access behind sleek glass fronts. Sliding worktops and hidden cabinets reshape the space as you cook, prep, or serve. You get professional level function wrapped in a calm, architectural design that feels effortless. Think of a cabinet that practically opens itself. This wall unit has an electric motor that moves the glass slats effortlessly. Tap once and the bottom half glides up for quick access. Tap again and the slats rise all the way, giving you a full view of everything inside. With built-in collision protection and sparkling glass shelves, it's safe, sleek, and turns your kitchen into a showpiece. Imagine your cabinet doing a full 360-degree spin with just a sweep of your hand. This FurnSpin fitting lets doors and flaps rotate around their own axis, turning one piece of furniture into two. Open it to reveal everything inside, then spin again to hide it completely. It works smoothly with soft close and push-to-open functions, so everything stays sleek and handleless. Perfect for kitchens, living rooms, or offices, it adds a playful twist to everyday storage. Bring a garden indoors. No dirt required. This 12-pot hydroponic system grows herbs, veggies, and flowers all year round. The full-spectrum LED light mimics sunlight, while the silent pump keeps roots oxygenated for faster growth. You can control everything with the app or the touch panel on top, adjusting light and watering schedules with ease. With a durable stainless steel frame and a large water tank, it's smart, quiet, and perfect for any home. Imagine a kitchen hood that quietly disappears into your countertop. This 36-inch convertible Downdraft Hood rises up to capture steam and smoke right where you need it. You get 3 fan speeds, so you can go from gentle to powerful, depending on what you're cooking. The dishwasher's safe mesh filters make cleanup a breeze. Its tall, sleek design keeps your workspace open and your air fresh. Emptying the dishwasher just got easier and fun. The Quadro Pullout Runners let the top rack glide smoothly, moving plates and glasses gently every time. The comfort swing lifts the lower basket up to the top level, so you don't have to bend down. It locks in place and easily returns with a simple touch. Gentle, quiet, and ergonomic, these fittings make your daily kitchen chores a breeze. Make your kitchen look sleek and save space at the same time. This foldable full-cover door opens smoothly, folding neatly to give you full access to your cabinets or pantry. It keeps everything hidden when closed, creating a clean, modern look. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's easy to operate every day. Perfect for small kitchens or anywhere you want style and functionality in one. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.